Algebra, week 32, day 1. We're going to grade 3.3, and you guys did 11 through 29. Okay? So get your grading hats on. Have a pen out. Okay. So number 11 is B equals 2A divided by H. Number 12, H equals V over LW. Okay? 13, H equals V over pi R squared. 14, B to the second equals 2A divided by H minus B1. 15, Y equals 5 minus 2X. 16, Y equals 7/5 minus 3/5 X. 17, Y equals, sorry, I can't write right there, 6X minus 13 over 2. Okay? 18, Y equals negative 2/3 X plus 10 over 3. If you figure that out, that's fine also. Okay? 19, Y equals negative 1.5 X plus 9. Ooh, that one was easy. 20, Y equals 5 over 7X minus 3 over 7. If you have 5X minus 3 over 7, that would also work. Okay? Same with up here. If you have 2X plus 10 divided by 3, that would also work. Okay? 21. Y equals negative 10X plus 35. 22. Y equals negative 20X minus 12. 23. Y equals 3/4 X minus 9/4. So again, if you have 3X minus 9 divided by 4, that's fine too, okay? 24. Y equals negative 3/5 X plus 24/5. So again, if you have negative 3X plus 24 divided by 5, that would also work, okay? They just separated the 5, okay? Okay. 25. Y equals 12X minus 2. Sorry, I wrote 1. 2. 26. Y equals 8 over 5 plus 13 over 5X. So this would also work, 8 plus 13X divided by 5. That would also work. Okay, sorry, that's my funky 5. There we go. Okay, 27. Y equals X minus 9 divided by 4. Okay, 28. Y equals negative 5 over 6X. And then 29. Y equals 1/2 X plus 1. Okay. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Out of, we'll do 40. Because I'm nice like that. So how many did you get wrong out of 40? You guys say 40. Well, it was 19 problems. But I just did 20 and then I gave you 2 each. So 40. So you're welcome. Okay. I want to see what time it is. Sorry. I'm using my phone to record, so I can't see what time it is. Okay. So, moving on. We are now going to do I don't know why I said we're grading 3. That was 3.7. We just graded 3.7. Sorry if you guys are freaking out. I don't know what I was saying. Okay. Okay, so, oh, because I looked at Monday last week. Okay, sorry. That was, we graded 3.7. So if you need to go back and watch that again, you can. Okay, so we're going to do 3.8 now. 3.8 is rates, ratios, and percents. Okay. Okay, example 1. So, a rate or a ratio, whatever they tell you first, goes on top of what they say second, right? Always. And a unit rate is divide. Unit rates, you always divide. Okay? So, here we go. How can you relate this information? Of individual spending. Okay, so clothing and shoes, restaurants, and food for home. One solution is to find the average rate of spending per person so that you can compare themselves to the average. You can do this by dividing the population, which was about 266 million in 1996. Okay? So what they said was, I don't like that one. Sorry, moving on. Okay. Why don't they make it this easy? Okay, so I'm just going to go to page 183. And we're going to go for the easy ones. Okay. Which model would you use to change 14 yards into feet? So they have 2 options. So they have they want 14 yards into feet, right? That's what they want to change. Okay. So they have option A, which is 14 yards times 1 yard over 3 feet. Okay, can this, and then option, sorry, I'm gonna, 14 yards times 3 feet over 1 yard. Okay, so really we need to cancel out yards so that we can get straight feet. So can this and this cancel each other? No, so it's not that one. It's this one, because yard and yard cancel each other. So 14 feet. So it's this, it's B, because we need the one with the 1 on the bottom so that I can times that, okay? So let's do another one. You took a survey of your class and found that 18 out of 31 students have a pet at home. Explain your results and make a prediction for the 1746 students in your school. Okay. So this has to equal how many people have pets over 1746 students. Does that make sense? So we want to know how many people actually have students. So this is how you would rewrite it. So you took out of your class. Now this is how many in the whole school. So you this is total. So you put the total on the bottom, and this is how many pets. Okay? So that's the answer for number 3. Okay, number 4. I'm on number 4 at the top. Look back at example 1. Oh, I don't like example 1, remember? Moving on. Okay. Okay, number 5. Convert 200 euros to the United States dollar. So we have 200 euros, right? And then it says that 1 euro equals $1.066, right? So we need what on the bottom? 1 euro equals $1.066. Okay, so this way the euros can cancel each other out, and we're going to multiply. So we have 1.066 times 200. 0, 0, 12, right? Carry the 1, 12, 13. Carry the 1, and then 2. Okay? And then here's how many are behind the decimal point. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So how much is it? We don't need this 0. So it's around $213. Okay? Let's do another one. Okay. It says convert $340 to South African Rand. And they say 1 Rand is 0.607. Okay, so set it up. So 340 times, we need this on the bottom. So it's not really times, it's divide. So we have 1 Rand over 0.607. Now remember, you guys have a calculator, so you can use a calculator. So I have 340 divided by this, 0.607, and we have to move that over 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can 607 go into this? No. Can it go into this? No. Can it go into this? No. Can it go into this? Yes. That can go 5 times. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 6 is 30. Oh, no. Man, I haven't done this for a while. So then we have 10, 3, 10, 9, 10. Okay, so 5, 6, 3. Bring that 0 down. Can this go into that? Yes, 6 times, I'd say. So we got 6 times 7 is 42. And then 6 times 6 is 36. So we got 8 left over. Drop a 0. Can it go into 80? Nope. Okay. That's all they want, really, right there. I mean, you can keep going, but that got me the dollar amount, right, or the rand amount, because this is going to be 0, 0. I mean, like, it's going to keep going. So how many rands per $340? Around 560 rands. That's what they want. Just a general estimate. Now remember, you can use a calculator to do that. Make it super easy. Okay, Then they say, write and solve the equation for the unknown number. Okay, so they said 45% of 280 is, remember, of means times, and this is equals. So first you have to switch this to 0.45 times 280, right? That's what we're going. So I got like that. Okay, 0, 0, 4, 10, 14, drop a 0, 0, 2, 8, 9, 10, 11, 0, 0, 6, 2, 1, 126. Okay, and then 2 behind the decimal, 1, 2. So this is 126. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, so 7.5% of 340 is, okay, remember this means times. We got 340, and we have to move this 1, 2 over 2 to get this percent, or 0.075, like that. Okay, so I have a 340 times 0. Oh, I don't like how that's set up. So 0.075 times 340. So I'm going to drop that 0 over. Okay, that's 0, 2. 28, 29, 30. Drop a 0, 0, right? Because now I'm in the 300 range, or the 100 range, 300. Okay, 5, 15, carry the 1. 3 times 7 is 21, 22. 0, 0, 5, 5, 2, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 25.5. Because I don't need those zeros. That's the answer. Okay. Okay. So that's kind of how you do it today. I'm going to try to pick easy ones for you guys to do. So we're doing lesson 3.8. And you guys are going to do, remember you divide on these, $2 divided by 5. And this is $2 divided by 5, like that. Okay. So make sure you do that on those ones. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be 11 through. And you divide on the second part. 11 through 18. I'm skipping 19. Uh, 23 through 26. Yeah, I think that's fine. Okay, that's your assignment for today. Not very many. Okay, see you tomorrow.